Hey you guys, it's Marianne, and I just wanted to give you a heads up about week 2. So anyways, once you click weekly content, then go to, of course, week 2. And then there are learning tasks in here along with the assignments, but the where you upload is over here, which we talked about today. But we have a few more texts. You actually will be having, I think, 28 or 30 texts to each week. So just know that you'll be exposed to a fair amount of content and issues, and you're going to have to wrestle with them and make, you know, just come up with your own ideas as to whether or not you agree with them or not. Not that these are controversial too much, but in the future you're going to see that they are a little, uh, they may or may not sit with you. But that's the whole point. I want you to think about them and respond to them and wrestle with the ideas. So anyways, read chapter 20 and 21. It's about paraphrasing and incorporating citations. And of course, if you don't have the book, that's okay. Just you'll catch up on the reading soon. Learn about paraphrases, direct quotes, and summaries. This is just a PowerPoint. I'm sure you can read through it. And then this is a video about paraphrasing, and I think that's only like 5 minutes. Learn about incorporating direct quotes here. Yeah, this is going to take some time, and so is this one. So just chill, take notes, just power through it. This is a PowerPoint that I use in it. This is a 5-point quiz regarding incorporating direct quotes. So it's easy. Just look closely at just look closely, I guess. Take your time on it. There's no time limit. Okay, so what we're going to be starting now is called Article Reflections, and there's going to be 5 of them, and you are going to respond to the readings that we have had. So at this point, we already had 2 because it's Monday, but this week you're going to have 2 more. So you have until Sunday evening, midnight, to write this article reflection. So you have 4 texts you can use to reply or respond to. So what it is 2 paragraphs, college level paragraphs. One paragraph is summarizing the article. The second paragraph is your take on it, your opinion, your turn to spout off. And you can do that in any number of ways. So this video talks about that, and then the rubrics here, and then a sample is here. Make sure you continue to read Indian Horse for not only the what did you notice about the writing, but also for the plot and characters and setting, and then also for those themes of education, race and discrimination, the environment, the military. And then any other theme that you happen to notice. Make sure you check out the discussion post here. And the initial post is due Friday, and then respond to 2 peers by Sunday evening. And what you're going to do is we're moving into our first essay, which is called This I Believe. And I want you to start thinking about what you believe. Based on your experiences so far in your life, what is it that you believe? What tenets do you live by? And what lessons have you learned all on your own without anybody telling you? What have you realized? And so you'll see some options here. I'll share my favorites with my own post, and I want you to think about what you believe in. At any rate, you guys, I hope you have a great day.